Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to reach board 300 in your Monopoly Go. But of course, there's no shortcut to that. It's pretty simple. You just have to play the game until you get to board number 300. So as you can see, I've been playing for months now or even a year I think, but I stopped playing. But basically you can get there just by playing every day and consistently. So just try to get the most rewards, try to get right here into the tournament um, leaderboards because it gets you the best chances on bigger prizes and bigger dice rewards and there. So I usually go with the 20 or 50. So 20 or 50 will get you the best rewards basically right here. And shutdowns, just choose people who are really inactive so that in that case you'll get the best rewards. So of course do your research on who is inactive in your friends basically, and you will get one of the best rewards in the game. So when you do so, also try to get the multipliers, right? Like this one in the event, because they get you the best rewards too. And you also try to get the mega heist because the mega heist will give you the best reward to ratio in the game. So in the game right here, of course, try try your best luck, of course, and just keep playing. So stack up on dices and don't expend them too much if you have to in one day. So just try to collect it in a day and then try to get to a really high number so that when you do a burst of actual um rolls, you will get one of the biggest rewards and you'll level up really quickly in just one sitting. And as you can see right here, I'm already doing really great and I don't really have to do much. And I will move on to the next board as soon as possible. So when it comes to the moving the board, it's just that you'll have to finish the houses real quick and the properties. So just try to get as much as possible one of those because if you can, then you can. Then there you go. So it's just that simple to reach board number 300 in Monopoly Go. There's no trips and tricks anymore, really. Just keep on playing and stacking up on dices, and you will get one of the best rewards.